Hello, dear students. So, we are going to start lesson 8, that is Reach for the Top, and its first part is Santosh Yadav. And in this lesson, we are going to read about the heroic deeds of two women, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. Santosh Yadav was a woman from Haryana, India, who climbed Mount Everest twice, a rare feat for any woman in the world. On the other hand, Maria Sharapova, a woman from Siberia, became number one tennis player in the world. And the achievements of these two women show that if a person is determined, she can overcome all obstacles in his her way to success, fame, and reward. So let us continue now. The only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing, and a daughter, though not considered a curse, was not generally welcome. So, the only woman in the world who has scaled, who has conquered, who has climbed Mount Everest two times, she was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing, and birth of a daughter, if it is not considered a curse, it is also not welcomed. Birth of the girls is not welcomed. So, when her mother was expecting Santosh, a traveling holy man giving her his blessings assumed that she wanted a son. So, when her mother was expecting Santosh, when Santosh was going to born, when her mother was pregnant, a traveling holy man, a saint, a holy man who was traveling, he assumed, he guessed that they want blessings of the son, but he blessed them that God bless you with a son, like that. But to everybody's surprise, the unborn child's grandmother, who was standing close by, told him that they did not want a son. But this was a surprise for everybody, that the grandmother of that unborn child who has not yet born, his grandmother said that they don't want a son but a girl. The holy man was also surprised, and this holy man who was giving blessings, he was also surprised to hear this. Nevertheless, he gave the requested blessing, and as destiny would have it, the blessing seemed to work. Santosh was born the sixth child in a family with five sons, a sister, to five brothers. So, as the holy man, he heard that the family, they didn't want a son, a boy child, so he gave them blessing for the girl child, and destiny would have it mean um, luckily they have that blessing was that blessing worked, or that blessing gave a result, you can say, that Santosh was born as the sixth child in a family where five sons were already there, and she was the sister to five brothers. She was born in a small village of Joniavas of Rewari district in Haryana, and Santosh Yadav, she was born in a village she was born in the village Joniavas of Rewari district in Haryana, and the girl was given the name Santosh, which means contentment, and girls was given the name Santosh. Santosh, it's a Hindi word, it means contentment, satisfaction. But Santosh was not always content with her place in a traditional way of life. But this girl, she was not contented with her place in the traditional way of life. Traditional mean of the custom, conventional, and she was not ready to adopt those conventional ways of life. You can understand that in some places girls are having so many restrictions. So Santosh preferred, sorry, where other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, while in the village girls were allowed to wear only traditional Indian dresses. Santosh preferred shorts. But Santosh, she liked better, or she preferred, she chose short clothes for herself, not those traditional that you can say salwar suit and that lehenga and all. But she preferred, she liked shorts. Looking back, she says now, from the very beginning, I was quite determined that if I chose a correct and rational path, the others around me had to change, not me. Now, looking back, she says, when she talks about old time, she says that she had, or she was completely determined, she was firm that if she would choose a correct and rational way, rational mean based on reasons, rational path, way, then others around her would change themselves, not she. You can say that she had already decided from the very starting that if she would be right, then she would never make any compromise. Only others would change themselves. That's all for today.